Welcome everybody to Sushi Chill and Grill. Today we're gonna make Boeuf Bourguignon. This is an amazing French dish. Let's do this. I already seared the meat in a hot pan with some olive oil and I pre-cut all the veggies. And I'm gonna use the slow cooker again. That's a really fine machine, but you also can do it on the fire or on the stove. Whatever you like. Make it how you like it. First, I'm gonna put in the meat. Now all the veggies. It's paprika, onion, carrots, some mushrooms and a little bit of garlic. But you can do whatever you want in it. I really like this combination. But do whatever you like. For the wine I chose this Baron del Cega. And I had it before, it's really delicious. I poured in about half the bottle, that's about 400 milliliters, give or take. I also used a package of pre-made herbs and spices and some beef stock. Now give this all a good mix. Now while we wait, I'm gonna grab me a book to read and a nice glass of that red wine. This is going to stow for about 6 to 7 hours. Now let's plate. I like to eat this with whole meat pasta. Now be generous with this Boeuf Bourguignon. It's really delicious. It smells so good. To top it off, I use some Provolone cheese. That's really a good cheese. Thank you for watching this. I hope you liked it. It's really delicious. Let me know in the comments if you had it before. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill. See you there.